Good morning. I'm here for a live demonstration. This is actually a customer live shipping label, and so I had to cross out some of the information. This is the Islandwide Express shipping label, and your mailbox number. I want to show you where that is. That is right here. And you generally see mine is 00001. You're looking at Islandwide Express number one customer, and that would be me. Don't you like that little? Thank you for supporting my small business label. It's really nice. We decided to go with pink today. I am trying to do a demonstration today to help you all to understand this card here that you've been receiving on all of your packages and what to do with it. I wrote my mailbox number in here as 00001. Again, I'm customer number one. And so what you should be doing with this label is just tearing this card is just tearing it off and handing it to someone. For example, if you're a customer that pick up your package at Knutsford Express, you just remove this card, just tear it off, and hand it to the person that's next in line, and just say, "Hey, look, this is a good shipping company. You may want to give them a try. You can get a free package if you use this card to sign up." Basically, what they're going to do is read the instructions back here, and they're going to submit, after creating the account, your mailbox number. And not only that, they get a free shipping coupon, but you will get a free shipping coupon as well. And if you do this enough times, give this card to your neighbor, to someone at church. If you're at work when you receive your package, just leave it on one of your co-workers' desk. What will end up happening is that you'll end up with so many free shipping coupon. After a while, you just be shipping packages after packages after packages for absolutely free.